There are some days during pregnancy and motherhood where you're just going to feel crap. It's part of life, it's part of the journey, and we often fight that and feel like we need to be happy 100% of the time, feel like we need to be something for someone else, and we end up suppressing our feelings. We push them down, we suffocate ourselves by not truly looking at them and expressing them. So I'm not asking you to take your feelings out on other people. I'm not saying that if you're feeling angry, go and shout at someone. What I'm saying is that if you're having a crap day and you're having big feelings, whether they be anger, vulnerability, frustration, wanting to be nurtured, then take the time to sit with them. Take the time, give yourself permission to feel your feelings. Your feelings are a guidance system. They're telling you where you're at, that something isn't quite right. If you're feeling down, well, you're not expressing yourself, or you're not doing something, or something isn't quite right because you're not experiencing yourself as your God self. So if you're having a down day, if you're feeling big feelings, take the time to sit. Use the joyful expectancy cards. They are always a magnificent tool for getting to the truth of what you're feeling and what's going on. Write. Just do 3 foolscap pages or 3 A4 pages of just free flow writing. You'll find you'll get to about a page and a half and you'll stop and keep going, because that's where the gold is. The first page and a half is often just the surface stuff, and when you get below that, that's where the gold is. That's what's really going on. And don't stop there. If you can keep writing for 10 pages, keep going. Take the time every day if you can, and if not, at least when you're feeling big feelings, to put them down. Just write what you're experiencing. Allow yourself that expression. Go out into the bush and shout. Go and whack a tree. It's okay to feel big feelings and to allow them a safe expression. When you're carrying your baby, if you feel like you need to express anger or express big emotions, talk to your baby about it first. It's connected to you. It understands. Hold your baby and say, you know, I'm feeling some really big feelings. You might find just by communicating with your baby what you're experiencing, that those feelings can be let go. You're a team. You're a team in this, and your baby feels what you're feeling anyway. So allow it some expression. Communicate with your baby so that your baby feels safe and understands what's going on. But at the same time, give it a voice. Give your sadness a voice. Give your anger a voice. Give your vulnerability a voice. Give your frustrations a voice. Pregnancy is a massive journey of change, and anyone who has been through a journey of change knows that there are feelings that come up. There are challenges that come up. We challenge our belief systems, we challenge our paradigms, we challenge all of the things that we grew up knowing is true. Do they serve us? And our feelings come up to point us in that direction so that we can do that. So choose to listen, choose to hear it. If you shove them down, they're just going to come back bigger and louder. So my recommendation is that if you're having big feelings throughout your pregnancy and of course beyond that, take the time to sit with them. Make yourself a beautiful herbal tea, a glass of water, put out a crystal, pull out some cards, whatever it is that nourishes your soul while you do it, and love yourself while you allow yourself expression of those big feelings. If you've enjoyed this video, well, there are 19 more that you can get for free. Simply follow the link on your screen and we'll send them out to you. Have a wonderful birth journey, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.